Hi guys, today I will show you how to set up TikTok Live Studio for gaming. Before I start, I would appreciate if you like the video and subscribe. Well, the first step would be to go to Google and search for TikTok Live Studio Download PC, and download and install the program here. Okay, now open the program and click on blank, add source. Here we will have several options, but we will click on game capture. Add. Here you have two ways to capture a game. In my case, I will choose the second option, that is to capture only the game that I want to select. Here we select our game, you must have it open. Then check these two boxes and click on Add Source. Okay, now adjust the size of the game to your liking. Now to add the camera, we will go to Add Source. Camera. Add. And choose your camera and configure it to your liking. In my case, I don't have a camera, so I will skip this step. Now, as a last optional detail, you can add more elements. In my case, I will add a follower's goal. And it will be added correctly here on the left. Once finished, it should look something like this. And with this configuration, you can start the live. If you found the video useful, leave me a like and a subscription. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. Thanks.